Hello, I'm Vicky, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to Berlin. This city pulsates with history, art, and vibrant culture. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, Berlin offers a tapestry of experiences for every traveler. In this video, we'll uncover the 14 best tourist attractions in Berlin, Germany. So grab your walking shoes, pack your curiosity, and let's dive into the heart of this captivating city. Our first stop is the Brandenburg Gate, a symbol of Berlin's tumultuous past and reunification. Imagine standing before this majestic archway as chariots once rumbled through its passageways. Today, the Brandenburg Gate stands as a beacon of hope, reminding us of the power of unity and perseverance. As you gaze upon its towering columns and the iconic chariot atop, reflect on the weight of history this landmark embodies. Our journey takes us to the Berlin Wall Memorial, a stark reminder of the city's division and the Cold War's impact. Walk along the preserved sections of the wall, tracing the stories of hope and despair that played out along its concrete barrier. You can almost feel the weight of separation as you imagine families and friends torn apart. The memorial serves as a powerful testament to the human cost of division and the enduring pursuit of freedom. It's a place for reflection, remembrance, and a commitment to a future without walls. Prepare to be captivated as we step onto Museum Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This island is a haven for art enthusiasts and history buffs alike, with 5 world-class museums beckoning you to explore. Wander through the halls of the Pergamon Museum, home to ancient wonders like the Ishtar Gate of Babylon. From ancient artifacts to European paintings, Museum Island offers a journey through time and across cultures. Our next stop is the Reichstag building, the heart of German politics. This iconic structure, once scarred by war, has been reborn as a symbol of German unity and democratic renewal. Take a moment to admire the Reichstag Dome, a modern architectural marvel designed by Norman Foster. As you ascend to the top, you'll be rewarded with panoramic views of Berlin, a city constantly evolving. Standing beneath the dome's mirrored cone, you'll feel a sense of transparency and connection to the democratic process below. Prepare to be awestruck as we approach the Berlin Cathedral, a grand dame of religious architecture. Its ornate facade, intricate carvings, and towering dome speak to a rich history and unwavering faith. Step inside and be enveloped by the cathedral's grandeur. Gaze upwards at the soaring ceilings adorned with intricate mosaics that shimmer in the light filtering through stained glass windows. Descend into the Hohenzollern Crypt, the final resting place of Prussian royalty. Here, history whispers through the centuries as you walk among the ornate sarcophagi. Our journey takes us along the East Side Gallery, a vibrant testament to the power of art to transform and inspire. This preserved section of the Berlin Wall has been transformed into an open-air art gallery, a symbol of freedom and hope. As you stroll along the wall, let the colorful murals wash over you. Each stroke of paint tells a story, reflecting the artist's hopes, dreams, and frustrations. You'll encounter iconic images like Dmitri Vrubel's My God, Help Me to Survive This Deadly Love. The East Side Gallery is a place where history, art, and politics collide. Prepare to be transported back in time as we arrive at Charlottenburg Palace, a magnificent Baroque palace. Step inside and be greeted by lavish interiors, adorned with gilded stucco work, sparkling chandeliers, and exquisite furnishings. Each room tells a story of power, intrigue, and the grandeur of a bygone era. Don't miss the palace's stunning gardens, a tranquil oasis where you can stroll among manicured lawns, cascading fountains, and fragrant flower beds. Our journey takes us back to the Cold War at Checkpoint Charlie, the most famous crossing point between East and West Berlin. Imagine the tension that hung in the air as soldiers from opposing sides stood face to face, their eyes locked in a silent battle of ideologies. Today, Checkpoint Charlie is a poignant reminder of the city's divided past. Visit the nearby Checkpoint Charlie Museum to delve deeper into the history of the Cold War and the stories of those who dared to cross the Berlin Wall. Prepare to be transported to ancient civilizations as we enter the Pergamon Museum, a treasure trove of archaeological wonders. Imagine standing before the monumental Ishtar Gate of Babylon, its vibrant blue glazed bricks adorned with mythical creatures. Step into the Market Gate of Miletus, a marvel of Roman architecture that once welcomed traders and travelers from across the Roman Empire. The Pergamon Museum offers a glimpse into the art, architecture, and beliefs of ancient civilizations. Our next stop is Potsdamer Platz, a vibrant square that embodies Berlin's remarkable transformation. Once a desolate no-man's land dividing East and West Berlin, Potsdamer Platz has been reborn as a symbol of the city's reunification and architectural innovation. Today, skyscrapers designed by renowned architects pierce the sky, creating a dynamic skyline that reflects Berlin's status as a global city. Potsdamer Platz is a testament to Berlin's ability to reinvent itself, transforming a symbol of division into a vibrant hub of creativity and progress. Get ready for breathtaking views as we ascend the Berlin TV Tower, an iconic landmark that dominates the city skyline. As you soar upwards in the high-speed elevator, imagine the city shrinking beneath you, revealing its intricate tapestry of streets, parks, and historic landmarks. From the observation deck, you'll be treated to panoramic views that stretch for miles in every direction. For a truly unforgettable experience, enjoy a meal at the revolving restaurant Sphere, where you can savor delicious cuisine while the city revolves around you. Prepare to be enchanted as we step into Gendarmenmarkt, one of Berlin's most beautiful squares. This architectural gem is a harmonious blend of history, culture, and elegance. Admire the twin churches that flank the square, the Deutscher Dom and the Französischer Dom. Their elegant domes and classical facades a testament to the city's multicultural heritage. During the Christmas season, Gendarmenmarkt transforms into a magical Christmas market, its stalls overflowing with festive treats, handcrafted gifts, and twinkling lights. Our journey takes us to a place of profound solemnity, the Holocaust Memorial, a stark and moving tribute to the 6 million Jewish victims of the Nazi regime. As you enter the field of stele, concrete pillars of varying heights, allow yourself to be enveloped by the silence. The uneven ground beneath your feet creates a sense of disorientation, reflecting the instability and fear that permeated the lives of those persecuted during the Holocaust. As you wander through the labyrinthine pathways, take time to reflect on the enormity of the tragedy and the importance of remembering. The Holocaust Memorial is a powerful reminder of the dangers of hatred, prejudice, and indifference. Our final stop takes us to the Tiergarten, Berlin's sprawling urban oasis. This vast park, once a royal hunting ground, is now a beloved escape for locals and visitors alike. Rent a boat and glide along the park's picturesque lake, or lace up your walking shoes and explore its winding paths, shaded by towering trees. Pack a picnic and find a peaceful spot to relax and soak up the serene atmosphere. The Tiergarten is a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of city life and find a moment of peace. Well, there you have it. 14 of my favorite sites in Berlin. From the grand avenues to the intimate cafes, Berlin offers a feast for the senses and a journey through history. I hope this video has inspired you to pack your bags and experience the magic of Berlin for yourself. Berlin is a city that rewards exploration and open-mindedness. Until next time, happy travels!